Okay, so my today's topic is how to be a serious aspirant. See, I guess किसी का भी अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा. They all are suffering, including me. I am also suffering in my studies. It's completely alright. Okay, we all are suffering in a way, but where is the problem? There's a solution, and where is a will? There's a way. So let's get into it. So some of you were asking how to be a serious aspirant. देखिए, सीरियस हुआ नहीं जाता, सीरियसनेस अंदर से आता है. सो एट फर्स्ट सीरियस होना ईजी है. आई नो इट्स ओनली 167 days left, but it's still possible. You all can still achieve whatever you are dreaming of. Okay, so first point of being serious is mindset. आप सभी का mindset strong होना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज कोई कितना भी मोटिवेट कर ले, कितना भी कह ले कि आसान है, ये है, वो है, you can do it, just do it. It's all bullshit. After all, your mindset matter. How much you are willing to get it. How much you are willing to be a part of the medical or any policy. How much you are willing to put your efforts on it, and how much you are willing to do it. It's not about you have time. It's about it's your right. You have to do it. ये हक है तुम्हारा. Okay, you know yourself well. You have to do it anyhow. You have to find the right methods that's working for you. You can surface yourself in the internet and you can find out some tips or whatever is suitable for you. But the mindset is the key. You have to fix your mindset. You have to embrace yourself for hard work and smart work. We have about 6 months, less than 6 months. So rather than working hard, we have to start working in a smarter way. Smarter in the sense we have to focus time efficiently. So our first point is mindset. We all should have a strong mindset. We should not willing to be a doctor. We should think that we are a doctor. And what's a doctor do? Yes, that's correct. A doctor do hard work for their patients, for the people to save them. Now the second point is actionable habits. So what are habits? The things we do in a regular basis without making much efforts are habits. Okay, so in habits means we have to follow some routine. Like we have to clear up our mind and we have to write what is suitable for us according to our body and according to our time. I don't know whether the timetable is suitable for you or not, but according to me, I will make my timetable, and according to your timetable, you have to make your life, your habits, your activities, everything. So for making a habit, you should force yourself to do the things for at least a few weeks, like 2-3 weeks daily. Be consistent for at least 3 weeks. After that, it will start converting into a habit. So you have to first master the three big things: practice, analysis, and revise. You have to practice it, and if you are making mistakes, analyze it and revise it. In practice, what you can do is make some mock tests, give some mock tests. For mock tests, you can follow many things like PW, or for APS, like it's a need-based program available in the NTA website, or you can also buy lots of books like this. Okay, now when you have the habit, you know what to do, you are doing it every day, then you have to think about some things. Like you have to keep some things on your mind, like you have to study daily for certain hours in a regular time for making your body adjust to it, and after that you have to take care of your body. You have to take at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, because we all are putting our mind into it, so we have to keep our mind calm and fresh for learning new things and grabbing new information, gathering it and recollecting it anyway. And the last thing is that we have to be honest with ourselves. We have to kill out procrastinations. Procrastinations is like we should not put anything on tomorrow, and we should do active work rather than doing passive works. Active works means getting ourselves engaged directly into the work rather than just thinking that I am doing something, like just keeping the video on and thinking that, oh, I am watching the video. No, keep a bloody copy, keep a pen and write. That's the thing. And after that, you should stop talking negative to yourself. Stop the fear of failure. Stop collecting multiple resources. Stop negative self-talk. We don't need multiple resources. Just start with whatever you have. Just start with whatever you have. And for fear, I will make another video. And for negative self-talk, I need at least 8 to 10 minutes for a separate video. So these all are the points I made for this video, and okay, I will provide the exact points on the description, and for any future updates I will post it on the community section. So it's already 7:01 and मुझे भी अभी थोड़ा स्टडी करना है. फिलहाल today I was watching a movie Doraemon Art Symphony for making self little fresh. And it's okay. We all should give at least 3 to 4 hours of recreation at least once in a week. And this all for our today's video. Now I want all of you to do something that will make some significance impact in your life. Do something that will make some significance impact in your life. Rather than just only thinking about doing something, step up, take the first step and start doing it. We all can achieve whatever we are willing to, whatever we are dreaming, and we all have the capability to get it. Okay, so let's dive into our next session. Take care.